everyone. So today in English, we will continue learning about adjectives. Today we will focus on adjective words that answers the question, how many nouns? Let's review what we learned last week. We learned that adjectives are words that describes a noun. And it can answer the question what kind by telling what a noun looks, smells, sounds, tastes, or feels like. Let's play a review game. This is a guessing game very similar to I Spy, and you have to guess what object I'm describing with my adjectives. So this object looks red, sometimes green or yellow. It's also shiny and round. It smells and fresh and fruity. And when you bite into it, you may hear the sounds such as crunch or crack. It tastes juicy and sweet and sometimes sour. And it feels smooth, hard on the outside, but wet and soft on the inside. Can you all guess what it is? The answer is apples. Very good. Today we will continue learning about adjectives. We learned that an adjective is a word that describes a noun, and today we will focus on adjectives that can answer the question, how many? Here we have a troll. How many trolls? One troll. So the word one is the adjective that answers how many. So how many trolls? One troll. Here we have two trolls. How many trolls? Two trolls. So the word two is the adjective that answers how many trolls there are. And also notice how we added an S. We added an S to the noun troll because there's more than one troll. Here we have 9 trolls, exactly 9 trolls. Or instead of saying the exact number, you can also say several trolls, a couple of trolls, or many trolls. In our Bible lesson, we are learning about Daniel. We already know from the video we watched a couple of weeks ago that soon Daniel will be thrown into the lion's den. If in the Bible it says that there was only one lion in the lion's den, how will it look like? It will look something like this. One lion. What if it said that there are 5 lions? Then it will look something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 lions. Then what if it said many lions? Then it may look something like this or this. Many lions. So the adjective many doesn't tell us exactly how many lions there are, but instead we can leave it up to our imagination. Just like that, adjectives can answer the question, how many? Let's now go to our work text, page 237. So in our lesson today, we learned that adjectives can answer the question, how many? Let's look at the 2 examples. The 2 girls played on the swing set. How many girls? 2 girls. So the word 2, the adjective 2, describes how many girls there are. The dogs eat many treats. How many treats? Many treats. So the adjective many describes the word treat. Let's move on to numbers 1 through 5. what you're going to do is you're going to draw a box around the adjective that answers the question, how many? Let's do number 1 together. God made the world in 6 days. How many days? 6 days. So you will draw a box around 6. The rest I want you to finish on your own. Let's move on to number 6. What you're going to do is mark the question that the boxed adjective answers. So let's read sentence number 6. Our great God made the big rainforest. So we have the noun rainforest underlined, and the adjective big describes rainforest. But does the adjective big answers the question what kind or how many? The correct answer is what kind? Very good. So try the rest on your own. And on the back page, number 10, you're going to write a sentence that tells how many pets you have or want to have. So if you don't have any pets, that's okay. Imagine how many pets that you want to have and write a sentence about it. And the rest is very much like the front page. On Thursday, we will continue learning about adjectives, adjectives that compare. And that's it for today's lesson. See you guys tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone.